Hi guys, yes, I'm back. I want to make it as fast as possible. I know I haven't uploaded in a long time, but today I wanted to see how good of a sim racing am I. What I want to do today is beat a lap time of 2 minutes and 50 seconds at Mount Panorama. All I'm using is a PS3 controller and a lot of time, so subscribe because it takes me a lot of time to make these videos. First of all, we are going to need the controller itself, the micro B to USB cable, and install an app called SCP Toolkit. But this is not a tutorial, you can watch the one I left on the description. My left thumbstick is quite loose, so you can't really go straight, because it's going to register some inputs as you can see, but anyway it's going to be quite playable. But the most important question is, what car to use? So the Audi R8 was able to set a time of 1 minute 59 seconds and 29. Another option is the McLaren 570S, which was able to set a time of 2 minutes 1 second and 28. So I asked you on Instagram. The choices were clear, you could either choose the Audi or the McLaren. 30 minutes later, already 500 is in my post, and the McLaren ended up winning. While I was waiting, I tried with the Audi LMS Ultra. It felt quite great, even though I didn't feel very connected to the car, and I was getting a lot of downshift protection warnings. And I kept on going with the Audi, even though it was quite hard to control. Trying to make a smooth line is basically impossible, so in the first lap I was always going out of the road or hitting the corners, as you can see from here. So I went on for a little bit, and again the game started lagging, setting a very slow time of 2 minutes and 27 seconds. And with a little bit more practice, at 2 minutes and 22 seconds. After that it was finally time to try the McLaren 570S, and this car felt horrible. The Audi was basically much better. But I switched from the LMS to the Audi R8, and at the first lap I set a time of 2 minutes and 17 seconds .73, which was basically the fastest lap I ever set in Mount Panorama with a GT3 car. After that I set a time of 2 minutes and 15 seconds .72, which was again the fastest lap I ever set. This Audi is feeling incredibly great. Even though 2 minutes and 50 seconds is still a quite slow lap, it's not at the same level of a lap made with a proper steering wheel and at least a decent driver. If you like these videos, leave a like and don't forget to subscribe, because more of these videos are coming. In the next videos I'm going to try to break a world record, so don't miss that. But now it's time to set some truly fast lap. First of all I wanna say thanks to my friend Rio for making me install the content manager and the custom shaders pack. Now the game looks much better, even though it's quite harder to run. Check out his channel, he has some very great drifting content. I tried to focus as much as I could, and my first lap was 2 minutes and 19 seconds, almost 2 minutes and 20. Now I can see the shadow of my past laps. This has been the key for setting my fastest lap. And I was also able to drive with lower ABS and lower traction control. And while playing I noticed that my controller sometimes wasn't registering the accelerator, or sometimes it was registering the brakes even though I wasn't pressing the brakes, and this started to become a big problem.